Hi there, thanks for clicking. Welcome to our vocabulary series. In this series, we are going to learn some new vocabulary which is very important in our daily conversation. In today's session, I have a new word for you, versatile. Let's find out what does it mean and how we can use it. Versatile, which basically means capable of doing many things effectively. Let's take a look some of example for better understanding. The first example we have, a smartphone is the most versatile gadget in today's world. The second example we have, Kapil Sharma is a versatile speaker. He can speak on various topics to different types of audience. The another one we have, Amir Khan is a versatile actor. He can easily blend in any role. The next one we have, Apple company always hire versatile employee who can perform wide range of tasks. The last one we have, Arijit Singh is a versatile singer. He can sing in different languages. At last, I have a question for you. Do you know someone or something that is versatile?